Hey YouTube, this is a bike update that I'm gonna do because I got a couple new parts since I did the last one when I first started this channel. So yeah, start at the front. What are these? Premium whiskey bars. I got these last night. I got something in my foot that hurt. Primo team grips with Colony bar ends. They go on the outside of the bar. This came off of a Black Eye Renegade, but it reminds me of the stolen stem, so I just call it a stolen stem because that's what it it's like, exactly like the stolen. Ditech D-Cup headset. Volume Genesis forks, which I'm starting to think they're called featherweight Genesis forks, but I'm not too sure. Got a 14mm sealed Odyssey Hazard V1 on the front with 100 psi snafu rim job? Knob job. 20 by 2.10. My demolition pegs. These things are great. The DK frame, the Siklon 2010 Siklon. DK clamp, the Animal pivotal post with the FBM pivotal seat. Surprised it ain't junk yet. My demolition 3-piece 22mm sealed cranks. I got purple Eastern nylon pedals on here. The Atom sprocket. My I Saw Jerry sticker. Rear Kenda kick butt, 100 psi tire. And the Eastern 2.9er rear rim, which is dusty. Haven't been riding in a long time. And then my bullet valve caps. Yeah. That's it.